Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're Bev and Ryan, and we share honest hotel and resort tours to help you plan your next getaway. Today, we're checking into one of downtown Phoenix's most iconic properties, the Hyatt Regency Phoenix. Situated right in the heart of the city, this hotel sits directly across from the Phoenix Convention Center and within walking distance to Chase Field, Mortgage Matchup Center, and CityScape. Whether you're here for business, a sports game, or a desert getaway, this location is hard to beat. Let's head inside and see what staying here is really like. We took an Uber here from the airport, but if you're bringing a car, self-parking runs $36 a day, while valet will cost you $46. Stepping inside, you're immediately greeted by an open, energetic atmosphere. Scattered across the polished tile floors are comfortable lounge clusters, soft leather armchairs, high-top tables, and modern lighting, making it a welcoming spot to relax, work, or grab a drink. Right by the lobby, there is also a convenient mini-mart stocked with snacks, drinks, and essential travel items. It wasn't too busy when we arrived, which made check-in quick, and in no time at all, we were on our way up to our room on the 18th floor. Let's check out room 1831. This is a 2-queen room. So first, on the left side, we have this small open closet area where we have an extra blanket and pillow up there. There is an ironing board on the left side, some hangers, and a couple of storage drawers. And there's a full body mirror right here also. And right beside it, we have your standard bathroom. So there's the shower and your standard products that we have at all the Hyatt Regencies we've been to. So those are the pharmacopoeia. There's a small tub here, the toilet, and a single sink vanity with this nice backlit mirror. Let's see what else they have here. So they have lotion, they have toothpaste, mouthwash, and your Q-tips in here. And hand washes right there, the towels, and hair dryer is right here. So now let's get into the main part of the room. So right here, we have the 2 queen beds. There's only 2 lights here, so it's pretty dark, which is, I wish there was more lights here, but that's how it is. Here's the big screen TV, an office desk. So there's a couple of plugs here to charge your devices. And over here, we have some water, an ice bucket, coffee and tea, the safe, and a small fridge. So let's check out these beds and see how they feel. It's like soft on top, but then it gets a little firmer, a little bit on the middle part. But check this out, there's like no decorations in this room, so it feels very bland. I mean, I just noticed that, because usually all the rooms we stay at, there's some kind of painting on these walls to make it look nicer, but that's what it is here. And over here, we have some plugs for your devices, so those are USB-A's. And on this clock, we have more plugs to charge your stuff. An empty drawer. And check out our view of downtown Phoenix. Check that out. And on the right side, we have Chase Field, where the Diamondbacks play. So, yep, this is our room here at the Hyatt Regency Phoenix. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, it's okay, kind of bland, but it is what it is. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think? Now let's talk dining options. First up is B&B Market. The hotel's grab-and-go spot, open daily from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. It's packed with quick bites if you're in a rush, but we decided to go with their made-to-order menu. We tried a breakfast sandwich, a custom omelette, an espresso, matcha, and fresh fruit. Overall, it made for a solid, convenient way to start the morning. If you're looking for lunch, dinner, or a late-night drink, head right over to Barrel & Bushel. It's an upbeat, street-level spot, serving up American comfort food, craft cocktails, and a fantastic selection of local Arizona beer flights. You can grab a seat at the central bar or head outside to the outdoor patio to kick back by the fire pits. And finally, the hotel's crown jewel, the Compass. Located on the 24th floor, it's Arizona's only revolving rooftop restaurant, serving up southwestern dishes and signature cocktails with stunning 360-degree views of the Phoenix skyline. And here's a quick look at the small pool area on the 3rd floor. So there's the jacuzzi tub right there. And there's a tiny pool here at the hotel with a bunch of seating and some cabanas back there. Here's a quick look at the 24-hour gym here. So on this side, we have some elliptical machines, kettlebells and medicine balls right here. Here's the free weight area. And they have a bunch of Peloton bikes on this side, as well as plenty of treadmills. Some exercise machines over here also. And there's a cable machine at the end, right here. And on this side, they have a small stretching area. So, pretty decent gym here at the hotel. If you're hosting an event, the hotel offers over 50,000 square feet of flexible meeting space. Highlights include the massive Regency Ballroom, which holds up to 1,200 guests, over 30 high-tech breakout rooms, and an outdoor terrace perfect for evening events under the desert sky. Location-wise, the Hyatt Regency puts you right in the center of downtown Phoenix. You're directly across the street from the Phoenix Convention Center and just a short walk from major spots like Mortgage Matchup Center, Chase Field, and CityScape. Plus, with light rail access and plenty of nearby dining and entertainment, it's an ideal base whether you're here for business, a game, or a weekend getaway. With rates typically around $150 to $180 per night for standard rooms, this is a good value for a comfortable hotel in a fantastic central location. And we wouldn't hesitate to stay here again if we're in the area. So, what do you think of Hyatt Regency Phoenix? Let us know in the comments section. If you found this tour helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more hotel reviews and to follow our future adventures. Thank you for watching.